Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DIA token. Few days back, we saw that the price line of DIA token broke out the resistance of the down channel, and I shared a video with you. This was the video, and after breaking out, it was retesting the previous resistance of the channel and having a very nice rally. But right now, after this small rally, the price line is again moved down at the same support. And in today's video, I also want to show you a very big triangle that the price line of DIA is moving inside this triangle and testing the support once again. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line of DIA token was moving inside this down channel since first week of November 2021 and broke out the resistance here on 7th of Feb and retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support. But after a very short rally, the price line is again moved down at the same support, very close to this support, and it is possible that it may retest again, once again, this support. And if I place a trend line here, then we can see that we have a very nice support here at 86 cents. We tested the support here and here as well. Right now we are again testing the support, and at the same time we are also testing a support of a very big triangle. You can see that we have tested this support here back in October 2020 and again tested this support here on the weekly time frame in June 2021, and now again for the past several weeks we are testing the support of this descending triangle. And this is the resistance from where we got the rejection, and after breakout from this channel, we could not continue its move to the upside because it was rejected by this bigger resistance of this down channel. You can see this resistance is coming from here from March 2021, and so far the price line is not able to break out this resistance. Even after several attempts, we had long spike beyond this resistance here back in May 2021, and even here in November 2021 as well. And right now here in the previous week, we had a long spike on this candlestick that was on 14th of Feb 2022, and we are also having another resistance of this exponential moving average 20 on the weekly time frame. Therefore, even though we have broken out this resistance of the channel, but we also need to break out this bigger resistance of this descending triangle as well in order to observe any big move from here. So we can expect that after breakout this channel, now the price line is testing the support and the support of the triangle as well. And after testing this support, it can move up and make another attempt to break out this resistance of this descending triangle, because the movement is very squeezed now. You can see we are at the end of this triangle, and DIA is making several attempts to break out this triangle continuously. And as we are at the end of the triangle, it is possible that it will break out this resistance very soon, because we have broken out a very big resistance of this down channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.